Welcome guys. So this is an LG x401L and I have FRP lock on it. I'll connect to my Wi-Fi. So just wait for it to check for updates and start set up as new. Checking info, draw your pattern, use Google account instead. Now I'll just go back, click on accessibility, go to settings, switch access, settings again, help and feedback, control access device, then click on the video, click on this, click on share, click on this again, Chrome pops up, no thanks, create a new tab, then FRP bypass, go to this romstage.com, locate Gmail, click on Gmail, locate pattern, no thanks. Oh wait, okay, I'll use Gmail. Exactly. Oh, I'll select Gmail, I'll skip, then take to an address order. I'll use something like this. All I need is to just make it look like a real Gmail. Then I'll click on manual setup, exchange, scroll down, select use credential storage, change to a screen lock first. Click on change, put a pattern, no thanks, next. So at this stage, I'll just draw a pattern of my choice. Confirm. If your LG has fingerprints, you can include the fingerprints if you want to. It's not necessary. So I'll just power off. Then once I power off, I'll do a hard reset on the phone, power it on, and everything is done. So if you don't know how to do a hard reset on an LG phone, watch the video in the description below on how to do a hard reset. So after this hard reset, I'll continue the earlier process. So I'll select my language, United States, skip, then connect to my Wi-Fi. Next. Click on setup as new. Now I'll put in the pattern we did on the Gmail, and it's verifying now. Skip. So I'll just set up my phone, skip anyway. Done. And to show me a bunch of recommended apps, I'll untick as many as I can later. And the device is now ready. It's running on LG X401, running on Android 8.1. So that's it for FRP bypass. Thank you.